Oh, here we go. Material check. So integrated shutoff valves are always a good sign. It's a nice faucet to me. Yeah, I always like to have integrated shutoff valve. Basically, you have the water all the way on up to this point. Tighten these down, shut the water off from here, and you can still do your sweating, take the guts out, do any adjustments you need in here with the water off. Basically, leave the guts out, sweat your pipe, test it with these closed. Then once you're done, you can open it up after you get all your trim kit on. Well, after you put these guts back. I think the trim kit's gonna cover this. Yes, it is. Nonetheless, even better when they had it come in pieces. I had to put it together myself. I'm like, what? I knew what it was instantly when I opened it, though. I'm like, look at that. I've always seen integrated shutoff valves. They're usually either on it or you got the valve separate. But this is nice. I had to take off this plate to get it all the way in. But look at that. Isn't that something? It's only one screw. Look like it. Yeah, looks like it. Oh no, let's do these two. Come back another day. The guts are separate, nothing in there right now. Some haters. Okay, there we go. Damn, my push-ups for nothing, huh? It was one screw. Take them back out and ready to sweat. That's beautiful. Oh, look at that. No, that's good quality.